A Ferrari crashed in Kolkata. Driver dead, passengers severely injured. In an unfortunate incident, a Ferrari California T crashed into the guide rails of a flyover in Howrah district outside Kolkata. According to reports from Team-BHP, the driver of the Ferrari died before reaching the hospital. According to the reports, the Ferrari was driven at high speeds before taking a turn towards a bridge in the Domjur area of Howrah district outside Kolkata. Here, the driver lost control of his Ferrari and collided with a guardrails of the Pakuria flyover. The Ferrari also had a young woman co-passenger who sustained severe injuries. She was admitted to the nearest hospital immediately. However, the driver of the Ferrari unfortunately was pronounced dead when brought into the hospital. The Ferrari was part of a 7-car motorcade out for a long Sunday drive. The lineup of cars was returning to Kolkata when the unfortunate incident took place. The group was part of the Club GT of Kolkata. The car involved in the drive, Mercedes CLC 43 AMG, Lamborghini Gallardo, Ferrari 488 Spider, BMW i8, Porsche Boxster, Volkswagen Polo GTI and the Ferrari California T. Reports suggest that the driver of the Ferrari took a sharp turn to avoid a truck in front, which had suddenly slowed down. Police have started working out the exact detail of the incident. However, they did mention that the car was speeding at over 120 km per hour when the accident occurred. The police are still trying to ascertain if the accident occurred because of overspeeding or because of the truck in front slowing down. Police mentioned that none of the witnesses remembers the number plate of the truck. Also, the absence of CCTV cameras at the junction would make it too tough to trace the truck. Thoughts of the Ferrari crash in Kolkata. In a very unfortunate incident, one person died while another person suffered critical injuries. This shows the importance of driving carefully while either on the city streets or out of the highways.